Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Blooket account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Blooket account on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address blooket.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Blooket, where you can see there is the login button available for us. Just beside the sign up, click on that login button, and over here guys you'll be required to enter your username or email address with which you have signed up for a Blooket account. So let's do this and enter your password over here guys. But if you've forgotten your password guys, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you will be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your account's password. And with that being said guys, you can also sign into your Blooket account with your Google account. If you click on the sign in button available over here, a login page to your respected Google account will open, and if you log into your Google account, you'll be also logged into your Blooket account with your Google account. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the let's go button available for us over here, and then you'll be signed into your Blooket account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how to log into your Blooket account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.